It's our pleasure to welcome you to the Street 9126 District Conference for 2026, holding here in Akure.
Wife and I, we seem to have been here for like 10 days instead of 3 days. We have been to every place, including the warm and hot warm springs of Ekiti State. Yeah, you know, we have eaten, we have drunk, we have seen Ondo State in many ways. Thank you very much, my governor.
DISCON. I've come to learn, unlearn, relearn, collaborate, make friends, unite for good as it is. Thank you.